progressing as you can see. The attendant put some anesthesia on my neck for the 5 pieces warts. And I'm gonna wait for 45 to 1 hour to make it absorbed by the skin, and it will turn into painless. That's why I will not get hurt once the laser or something, I don't know, that will burn the warts. So it's now 10 minutes past. Shout out to every one of you, okay? To all my silent subscribers out there, to all my Facebook viewers, to all my first viewers who never got all my masterpieces. Shout out to my mother in Bicol, Porto, to Helen Carreta, my childhood friend. Once again, happy birthday. My treat will be given to me once I get there, Helen, okay? What I'm trying to say is, I'm not part of the celebration right now because you are there in Bicol and I'm here in Manila. So I'm gonna eat my food that you will share to me because it's your birthday once I get there, okay? So for now, thank you, Lord, for all the wonderful blessings that you gave to me, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. So I still have 40 minutes or 45. I might sleep, take a nap for a while, but I don't feel being sleepy. Anyway, bye for now.